Look, every startup cycle is a storm. It's brutal, unpredictable, and if you're not wired tight, it'll snap you in half. Founders get crushed under the weight of decisions they barely want to make. Investors freeze because the fear of losing everything paralyzes them, and leaders end up chasing trends instead of building real value. It's chaos, pure and simple. The pain? It's real. Seeing your bets evaporate, watching talented people burn out, feeling like the whole damn system is rigged to spit you out when things get rough. That frustration, that gnawing anger that maybe you're just spinning your wheels in a rigged game, most don't admit it, but they feel it. But here's the ugly truth. Strategic investors don't want you to miss. If you're trying to play this game the way everyone else does, you're already losing. The cycle is high risk because you're chasing shiny objects, following the herd, or buying stories that sound good but have zero backbone. The system feeds you fear dressed as wisdom, telling you to wait, to hedge, to play it safe. Guess what? The safest move in a brutal storm is often the boldest one no one is willing to make. Strategic investors who win through these cycles. They don't buy into the noise. They hunt for what's real, what's fundamentally undervalued or misunderstood. They see risk as an invitation. They get that most people run away from discomfort, but also that discomfort is where breakthroughs hide. Here's the hard line. Stop throwing money at every startup because they have a nice pitch or a trendy sector. Start digging deep into the founder's real grit, their resilience, their commitment to their mission beyond any market cycle. Watch who folds under pressure and who fights like hell. That's your litmus test, not some fancy Excel model or a series of buzzwords. Then get ruthless about your exposure. Don't just spread bets, thinly hoping one sticks. Concentrate capital and energy where you see an edge and own that edge unapologetically. High-risk cycles aren't about timid positions. They're about calculated, laser-focused bets, backed by a network that can pull startups through their darkest hours. No friend, no capital lifeline, no value-added partnership. Then you're just gambling, not investing. Understand this. Strategic investors move through the noise by building invisible bridges others refuse to see. They don't wait for perfect data. They operate in ambiguity, but never without clarity of purpose. They connect dots across industries, talents, markets, and technologies that seem unrelated on paper, but create power when linked. That's the secret weapon. Your network and your ability to create synergy inside it. Build relationships with founders who challenge everything, not just the comfortable. Find partners who don't follow trends but shape them. Because when chaos hits, the ecosystem you create becomes your shield and your sword. It's not about being the biggest check writer, it's about being the indispensable ally no one else can replace. Now listen close. Emotional stamina is non-negotiable. If you can't handle the pressure cooker moments, step away. This isn't for the faint-hearted. You need to prepare to be misunderstood, to see deals explode, but still get back in the ring with a smarter plan. You need to wrestle with doubt and grind even when the entire market screams, sell. Strategic investors sharpen their mindset daily. They train their instincts to spot patterns others miss. And they have iron discipline to double down when no one else dares. If you want to navigate these cycles and come out not just intact but stronger, start with brutal honesty. Cut the noise. Cut the fluff. Pick your fights with clear eyes and bigger muscles, both financial and human. Invest in founders who build with purpose and resilience, who know failure is a step forward, not a dead end. Build partnerships that bring skills, resources, and conviction. And don't just chase profit, chase transformation. The capital you move must disrupt, not just sustain. It must fuel ideas that change the game, not keep respinning the same tired wheel. Finally, never forget, this is a long fight. There's no single trick or magic formula. It's grinding, learning, and connecting at a level most shy away from. If you lock your vision on that, If you embrace the chaos without flinching, you won't just survive the waves. You'll be the one who rides them, controls them, and uses them to build something no one else thought possible. Get after it. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and check the featured link to learn more.